Installing pip packages to $home folder. Is it possible? When installing pip, install the Python packages inside my $home folder. For example, I want to install Mercurial, using pip, but inside $home instead of /usr/local. I'm with a Mac machine and just thought about this possibility. Instead of polluting my /usr/local, I would use my $home instead. PEP 370 is exactly about this. Is just creating a /.local and do a pip install package enough to make these packages to be installed only at my $home folder?
While you can use a virtual env, you don't need to. The trick is passing the PEP 370 user argument to the setup.py script. With the latest version of pip, one way to do it is. This should result in the HG script being installed in $home/.local/bin/hg and the rest of the HG package in $home/.local/lib/pythons.y/site-packages/. Note that the above is true for Python 2.6. There has been a bit of controversy among the Python core developers about what is the appropriate directory location on Mac OS X for PEP 370 style user installations. In Python 2.7 and 3.2, the location on Mac OS X was changed from $home/.local to $home/library/python. This might change in a future release. But, for now, on 2.7 and 3.2, if HG was supported on Python 3, the above locations will be $home/library/python/x.y/bin/hg and $home/library/python/x.y/lib/python/site-packages.
You can specify the T option, target, or to specify the destination directory. See pip install, help for detailed information. This is the command you need. For example, for installing say Mexnet, in my $home directory, I type
I would use virtual env at your home directory. You could then also alter ~login profile _profile, whichever is right for your shell to add ~bin to your path, and then that pip python easy _install would be the one used by default.
Short answer to your two questions grabbed from the other answers. 1. Yes, it is possible installing pip packages to $home instead of. 2. Is not enough. You need. And the packages get installed too. Exception when you do not need user. If you are not root user, on Debian together with WSL Windows Subsystem Linux no notice. On Ubuntu 20.04 notice. Default to user installation because normal site packages not writable. Default config is /usr/lib not writable for other users except root.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.